Good morning, everybody. Another day on the Outer Banks, a lovely day on the Outer Banks. Currently in Nags Head, got the beach to myself. Breath of fresh air before I gotta go to work, be there for 13 hours. I do those doubles so that I can have an extra day off for the week instead of working 5 days. I only work 4 days. That's because I pull 13-hour days because I live an hour away. But enough about me. Banks is looking lovely this morning. Did drop back down just a little bit to the upper 50s, a little chilly breeze. That's okay, the weather just gave us a nice little break the past couple weeks, and springtime is right around the corner. Getting my shoes all sandy before I go to work. It is what it is. The things I do to get that beach time before I gotta go to work. Usually a couple minutes late, get some sand all up in my socks, but it is now that time, and I must hit the road and get on to work. All right, guys, let's go to work. My favorite place. Hope you can detect that sarcasm. Well, somebody needs to put their seatbelt on. That would be me. Buckle up for safety. They must have just put this no left turn right here, because I've been taking this left turn my whole life. But today I have to do it anyway, because there is not another outlet from here other than that traffic light, but I'm already here, so I'm gonna do it anyway. But I will remember that one for the future. Inside of my work, try to show you my workflow a little bit. I know somebody commented that they are interested in the behind the scenes in the workplace here at Outer Banks, so I'm gonna try to provide that for you today. Depends on how busy it is, but I will try my best. I'm gonna take a wild guess because they said that they were gonna be done with the road work by summertime, and they've only been working on one side of the Manteo bridge, so I'm going to imagine that they would just save the next side for next year. That's what everybody's hoping anyway. Nobody wants this one lane stuff in the summertime. Currently on the Nags Head causeway right before the Manteo bridge. Covered this section many a times. Here we go, Manteo bridge. Just on the other side is my workplace. I might as well just pull up a bed in there because I'll be there the next 13 to 14 hours. Depends on, all that really depends on the late night rush. Like say if you get a couple tables right before you close, which just so everybody knows, we hate that as employees in the back. Just when you think you're about to leave, no. Somebody else is coming to dine in for you. You gotta wait a little longer to clean up and all that, but we all do know that. It's just the name of the game. I'm just telling you that you might hear some noise from the back if you decide to come 5 to 10 minutes before we close. Just saying. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. And here we go. Pull into work. They just opened up the tiki hut downstairs this past week, although I wouldn't recommend going out there today. It's pretty chilly, but they wanted to go ahead and get open and get in operation so that by the time the summertime comes, they'll have already been cruising. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to take y'all into this work with me. Wish me luck. Like that for YouTube. You want to be on there? How about that?